Dear self, the world needs you, every single part and piece of you. Nanukahang na may mga padahon nga damay kaayo ang pamlantaw nato sa atong kaugalingon. Makapanguta na ta og unsa pa man ang polos nato aning kalibutana. Tingali nauban kini og kagool, apakyasan ug lain-laing klaseng kapildihan nga makapawala og gana sa kinabuhi. But these are only the negative emotions you project onto yourself. When you step back and truly evaluate the situation, you'll realize you've overlooked the countless people who love and value you. Those who appreciate your presence just as you are. Take a moment today to recognize and appreciate the people who continue to support you, even through your imperfections. You are more loved than you think.